Hello, this is a short video to show you how to use our client online portal. First of all, you want to go to cashwayfunding.com and click on Client Login. That will take you to this page. If you've never used our portal before, you will want to go to Claim Your Account. Here you can create either an employee account for drivers or dispatchers or back office people, or if you're setting up the account for the first time, go to Create Company Account, enter your MC number, your contact information, and you'll be prompted with a link to finish the setup from there. Once you have set up your account, next time you go to the screen, just go to Login and enter in your information. That will take you to the home page here, which is going to default to the Funding tab. Here you can submit invoices, upload your rate sheet, BOL, lumper receipt, any other documents, and it will take you through the process to get your funding. You can also request a fuel advance here. Again, you'll need a rate sheet and a BOL. You can search for previous fundings, and all the information for previous fundings will appear here in your history, and you can search for particular loads or amounts from there. There is also a batch field tab where you can upload larger batches of invoices by dragging and dropping into this box. The next tab is the reports, where you have a portfolio summary, payment reports, you can pick your period, purchase reports, and reserve information. All of that's downloadable, and the period is dynamic, you can request. If you need specific reports, always reach out to us if you can't find what you need online. The next feature is credit checks. If you have requested checks previously, these will appear in your history. Again, you can search and filter. And if you have a new credit request to put in, enter in the load amount. If you know the MC number, great, or you can just put in the name. If you don't find it in here, you can enter it manually, and then you'll put in all the information. Either way, once you've got there, you may request a credit review if it's never found, and put in your information there. Hit submit, that will come through to us, and you'll get a decision very quickly. You can always call us or use the chat on our website if you need an instant response, but usually we'll respond within just a few minutes. Here you can also request a fuel card if you don't have our A to B program already. Once you have your fuel card, you'll find that this tab will give you the information on your card activity and also the local discounts available near your location. Lastly, you can change your profile and settings here. You can update your company information. You can add additional contacts here, whether it's a driver or a dispatcher, back office, or anything else, using this screen. Once you're done, just hit sign out. That's our online portal. It's quick and easy to use. If you do have any questions, please just call us. And thank you for being a Cashway client.